What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Stock Price Predictions, where I am giving away a PS5 to one lucky subscriber as soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers. So, in this video, boy, do we have a lot to talk about regarding the stock market. Crazy bear market we are in. Okay, listen, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget for your chance to win. Also hit the like button. I'd appreciate that. I can't wait to give that PS5 away, so make sure you subscribe. And I hope you guys watch this video all the way to the end. Okay, so let's get into the Fed meeting, the FOMC meeting. Boy, we got a rate hike that we were not expecting until that Monday, right before the meeting. Well, what happened is that Monday, there was a leaked email or text message to someone in Wall Street that got word that we were getting a 75 basis point hike. Well, you know what? That's fine, because guess what? Monday, unfortunately, the market priced it in. That's why we took a dump on Monday. But a 75 basis point hike is good, because that's going to help tame inflation. Now, we got to get these interest rates up to tame inflation. That's the only way we're going to get inflation down, is to stop people from spending money. Even with these gas prices being high, yeah, they suck, but that's going to help to drive inflation down. Why? Because people are going to stop spending money. When people stop buying things, the stores have to lower prices. Hey, guess what? People are spending less money. There's 30% less traffic in Walmart. There's 30% less traffic in Target. So guess what? We have lots of less people shopping and going into the stores. So guess what? Inflation's on its way down. What does that mean? Oh, that means buy the freaking dip. Because as soon as inflation starts to come down, I got news for you. This market's going to jump. Okay? Not only do we have less traffic going into the stores, inventory is up 60% in Walmart and Target. They got inventory going up. What does that mean? Well, that means that inventory is going up. Well, prices are coming down. There's lots of supply. Okay, we're getting lots of supply, less demand. They gotta move that merchandise. They gotta get that merchandise out of the store. Guess what? Go to your local Walmart and Target. Have you guys been out to the stores lately? I went in there just to check to see how things were going, how many people were there. Guess what? Was dead. There was hardly nobody in the stores. It's ghost town. And guess what? Everything's on sale. Buy the freaking dip. Everything's on sale. They got TVs on sale. Great time to buy TVs. Clothes are on sale. They can't get rid of the stuff. They got so much stuff in the back that they're trying to get rid of it. Okay, I'm telling you guys, that is the reason that inflation is on its way down. And as soon as that inflation goes down, we will get a bull run. And that's what we need, is inflation to go down. And guess what? I have some more great bullish news. Air freight is down 20%. It's costing less for freight to be shipped by air. Guess what else? Trucking freight down over 20%. That's going to cause inflation to go down. Buy the freaking dip, because this is going to turn around quick. Not financial advice, do your own research when investing, but I'm just letting you know what I'm doing. I'd rather buy these at cheaper prices. That way when they go up and they hit their all-time highs again, you make more money because you bought it at a cheaper price. I'm telling you, when this we had 8.4 on the CPI report for May, and we got that report in June. Now 8.4 is freaking high. It peaked back up. It went down in April, went back up in May. Okay, so it went down in April, it inverted, went back up in May, which is kind of good. It went to 8.4 because guess what? When we get June's report, inflation is going to be lower than 8.4. It's going to cause the stocks to go to the moon again. They're finally going to go green. Why is it good that it was 8.4 in June or in May? So when we get the July report for June, it's going to be under 8.4. Guarantee that. With the cost of freight going down by air and trucking, 20%, over 20%, it's huge. You know what else is huge? We've got lumber prices going down. Lumber stocks, that's huge. Home Depot, Lowe's, lowering prices on lumber. Lots of sales going on at Home Depot and Lowe's. You guys get what I'm saying? Inventories down, shoppers down. That's great. The next CPI report's going to beat. Stocks are going to move. I'm not worried about it. I believe this is the last month of the red market, because when that CPI report beats, we're going to take off. So recession, what's that? Well, recession is a negative GDP in 2 consecutive quarters. We already had one. I'm pretty sure on July 28th, when they can formally announce we're in a recession, we're going to have another negative GDP report. What's that mean? We'll be in a recession. Is the market pricing that in already? Of course they are. Wall Street knows. Everyone knows. What do you think? Do you think we're in a recession? I do. I would bet money we're in a recession right now. I mean, look at the stores, low traffic. Even the report, there's average of 30% less traffic at Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, Target, down 30% traffic, averaging. Okay, inventory up. Okay, sales throughout the stores. Okay, that's great. But that means recession. And recession's good right now. Why? Because the market's already pricing that in. Market price is in 6 months, 12 months, 18 months ahead. They already knew all this was coming. They priced this all in. They're ahead of us. They pulled their money out before we did. Retail has not even pulled their money out. They're still buying $1 billion worth of stocks a day. Just 2 months ago, they were buying 1.3 billion worth of stocks today in a day. It dropped down 0.3 billion, but they're still buying $1 billion. They're holding. They are not selling. Retail's not selling. We've learned how to invest. We buy when there's fear in the market. Is when you buy. When people are being greedy, that's running stocks up. Okay, that's when you be careful, because if you buy then, you're buying on FOMO, fear of missing out. You have a chance of losing. If you buy when there's max fear, well, we're sitting in this fear now. And guess what? When Wall Street starts to get greedy, we're already sitting in the low, cheap prices because we bought when there was max fear. What do you guys think? Recession coming up or not? Don't forget to subscribe. Your chance to win a PS5. I can't wait to give it away. I did a live stream at the FOMC meeting. Had over 1,000 viewers watching. It was great interacting with them. So I want to see you guys on my next live stream. Oh yeah, another topic I want to touch on. Tesla stock split. How do you guys feel about that? What are we getting? Only a 3-to-1 split? That's not good. I mean, it's better than nothing, but man, I would have sure loved to get that Tesla a lot cheaper. Why? Well, more people can afford stock when it's cheaper. And guess what? More people can afford to buy calls on it. When more people can afford to buy calls, guess what? Stock price rises. Makes the price go up. So I would definitely, in my opinion, I'm getting Tesla at these great deals. I mean, Tesla's all-time high was around, I think it was 1,200. 1250. Stocks usually run up when there's talks of splits. Right before the split, they run up, during a split, and then they unfortunately do go back down after all the hype. But splits are good for stocks, and they don't do anything fundamentally for the company, but they make it cheaper to buy call options, and the more call options people have, the higher it can run up, with the calls pushing the stock up. So do you guys own Tesla? Let me know in the comment section if you own Tesla, how much you owe, how many you own, and what do you think about it? Do you like Tesla or not? I think it's a great company. I think it's one of the best company in the world right now. Why? Well, very high demand. Get a Tesla car, you're waiting 6 months, over 6 months now to get one, and you order one. But they are correcting that problem. How? Well, they are building warehouses. These warehouses are going to put together Teslas at record numbers. See, this is the key to Tesla. What's going to help Tesla stock in the future? Is it the cars? Well, yeah. Is it the robot they're making? Well, yeah. But what's the really key factor into what's going to help Tesla stock? Well, this is it right here. Warehouses. Why? You can produce more Teslas. It just opened up Tesla warehouse in Texas. In Berlin, they're hiring second shifts now to get the cars produced and get them out of there. It's great. The more they can print, the more Teslas they can produce, the more money Elon can make. There are rental companies like Hertz that want to buy fleets of Teslas. They can't do it. Why? There's not enough production. These warehouses are the key. These warehouses are the key for Elon Musk to earn more money, to beat earnings, to grow. It's not in the cars right now. It's at the foundation. It's in the warehouses. It's in the manufacturing. We got to get these built, Elon. We got to get these cars out of the shop. Get them sold. People are waiting. That's money waiting. Not to mention Tesla just raised its price to $6,000. It's raising prices. The demand is still there. Inflation's going up. Thanks, Elon. But hey, inflation will come back down. Gas prices have came down. We're down 20 cents in a day here in Florida. Where are you guys from? Let me know in the comment section where you're from and how the gas prices are doing. Bitcoin. Ooh, gonna hurt Tesla's earnings. Shanghai being locked down. Gonna hurt Tesla's earnings. But Elon is trying right now to play catch up. He is playing catch up right now. He's trying to get employees there, get these cars put together and put out, so his earnings don't miss. But Bitcoin, I mean, it's like quadruple, 10 times bottoming right now off of right around 20K. There were huge margin calls, people getting caught off margin. Millions of dollars, $250 million margin calls on Bitcoin if it were to hit 20K, and it did. Right now it's just bottom sitting there. You know what? In order to find a bottom, every sector has to get hit. First it was small caps, and it was mid caps, and it was large caps. Finally, as crypto was holding up all this time as a hedge against this bear market, crypto finally decided to fall. Well, we could be closer to the bottom. I think so. We finally got our crypto down. Every sector is down. Gas is down. Gas is always the last stocks sector to fall in a bear market. Guess what? Yesterday they were down to 5%. Today they're down 5%. The gas is falling. Good. That is great news. Okay? Every sector has fallen. Now we're just waiting for that ride up. And what's it going to take? Well, it's going to take inflation to come down. And guess what? We had that high read for May. We get our read for June and July. Expect good numbers. Guess what? Inflation is going to be coming down. And that's going to be great for the Fed. You know, we're getting it down, and that's going to create the bull run. It's going to be great, guys. We can't wait. We've been suffering so long. We've been suffering 8 months. Okay, it's been like since November, since the NASDAQ has been at an all-time high. Okay? It's time. It's time to move forward with the bull market. Everything's heading our way. You know, just keep holding. Don't sell out. The good times are coming. We hold in good times. Got to hold in bad times too. What's the matter? A year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, you'll be up. You know, we didn't get the inside to sell like Wall Street and hedge funds were all selling. Retail investors didn't. We're all still holding. They have not sold yet. They have not driven the market price down enough to make the retail investors sell. I don't think they're going to, because we're continuing to buy. I don't think they like that. But it is what it is. I hope you guys like this video. I'll be back later tonight with another one. Hit that subscribe button for your chance to win a PS5. I'll see you guys on the next one.